GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage with a 12 GB of. What's up guys, and welcome to my channel over here. Today I'm going to talk about the OnePlus Nord 5G, and especially the OnePlus Nord 5G is in the mid-range, and I like about the device that its specification is top notch. So first of all, I'm going to talk about the display. The display is having Corning Gorilla Glass 5, and it's also have the 90 Hz display, and also it's come with the HDR10 plus. So that's a great technology in the display. About the processor, it's come with 765G. It's a Qualcomm processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon, but it's also come with a 7nm chip. It's mean that it's much more powerful, and it's not like that it's having the 10 nanometer chip or the 8 or 9 nanometer chip. So it's great. So it's also about I like the specification about the storage. It's got 64 GB of storage with 6 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage with a 80 GB of RAM, and 256 GB of storage with a 12 GB of RAM. So if you want 80 GB or 12 GB of RAM, so it's faster in the program. What can I say? It's loading the application, and if you want to load the mini application as possible, so it's great. So another thing, the camera. It's disappoint me in the camera section because it's the 4K video. They're stuck in 30 frames per second. It don't have the 60 frames per second possibilities. They don't have the 60 frames per second recording in 4K, so it's bad. But in 1080p it have 30 frames per second and 60 frames per second. It also have the 240 frames per second, which is used for slow-mo, so that's great. And in front they also have 30 frames per second and also have 60 frames per second for full HD, means 1080p, and 4K for 30 frames per second in the front camera. So it's great. And that's what I like about the OnePlus Nord 5G. And it's also come with, most of all, it's coming with a 5G technology at the mid-range price tag. So it's great. So stay tuned, stay happy, subscribe to my channel, comment in the comment box which specification you like most.